cyclones. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Atlantic reveals its true, turbulent nature.
The structural integrity of the tail section is compromised.
Agreed. We need to focus recovery efforts starting at the cockpit module.
We have a confirmed visual on the fuselage. Sending coordinates now.
Deployment sequence is active. We are approaching 30 meters.
Confirmed, all indicators are nominal.
The tension is rising rapidly on the central weave.
Acknowledged. We're showing peak stress across the embedded sensors.
Tension on line 4 is critical. Ease the lift rate by 5%.
Acknowledged. Reducing rate now.
Keep the ascent profile steady. We have critical stress readings developing on the main spar. Adjust the vector by 2 degrees north. Moisture levels are at 15% and still decreasing rapidly.
Acknowledged. Maintain current vacuum pressure.
As you can see here, the pilot's inputs during the ditching deviated slightly from the standard military protocol shown on the right.
There is no other way. We have to initiate the failsafe.
It means losing the cargo and maybe the plane.
It is the only option to save the city below. Do it.
The analysis confirms the microfractures here and on the lower strut.
The corrosion has significantly weakened the structure.
At extreme power, the heat maps show critical thermal stress here in the combustion chamber.
Hey, look at this. It's definitely an anomaly.
Is that a compartment? It's not supposed to be there.
Did you see that? Zoom in on Sector 4.
Oh, my God, what is that structure?
We're getting a clear signal now.
It's perfect! All that hard work paid off. We did it! Ignition! We have ignition! Incredible! It's fully stable! We did it! We did it!
All systems nominal.
Runway is clear. We are proceeding as planned. All systems green.
We finally did it! Look at that climb!
Good afternoon, everyone. We are currently cruising at FL 350. We expect an early arrival in Denver today.
Breaking news on the C-17 transport.
Dr. Tanaka's team confirms the aircraft is fully operational.
On behalf of the entire recovery team, we present the artifacts and the validated flight logs. It is an honor to return them to you.
Look how big it is!
It's incredible, yes, but look at the names, Habibi. They were very brave.
The energy output on this prototype is stable, Dr. Ahmadi.
True, but the thermal data suggests we can...
It looks magnificent.
All that hard work paid off.
As you can see projected here, the C-17 Globemaster was essential for global reach. It could transport